Hello, my dear students. Good morning to you all. Today we will study from Buzzword English book for class 4th. Chapter 1 Don Quixote and the Windmills. The central character or the main hero of this story is Don Quixote, who imagines that he is one of the brave knights. Meaning of knights is specially trained soldiers of high rank. He acts like a brave man, though he is not, and dreams of having adventures. His imaginations makes him find adventures where there is no adventures at all, and this leads to a funny situations. Windmills. Meaning of windmills is buildings with large blades on the outside that move when turned by the force. One more character in this story is Sancho Panza, who is considered as a foolish man in this story. He became the squire of Don Quixote in the adventures. The meaning of squire is an assistant to a knight. One day, Don Quixote decided to set off in search of adventure. Meaning of adventure is an unusual, exciting and daring experience or activity, but he needed a squire who can accompany him and share his adventures on his journey. So he went to Sancho Panza, who was a foolish man, lived with his wife and children. Don Quixote went to Sancho Panza and asked him to get ready to go with him as his squire and help him on his journey. Sancho Panza was only a poor laborer, so at first he did not want to leave his family behind. But Don Quixote was not the one to back down. Meaning of back down is to give up. Don Quixote was prepared to take Sancho Panza with him by all means. So he said to Sancho Panza, "We will defeat many knights, gather many riches, and conquer many kingdoms. In return of your services, I will make you the governor of an island." Just think of how grand that would be. Meaning of governor is a head of an island. Don Quixote made false promise to Sancho Panza that he would reward him with plenty of land. He spoke in such an attractive way that Sancho Panza was trapped in Don Quixote's words. He believed Don Quixote and imagined to become the governor of an island. So he agreed happily to go with Don Quixote on his journey of adventures. The poor man, with the hope of becoming rich, said, "If your honor will promise me this, I will gladly serve you." Now that Don Quixote had a squire or companion, and nothing could stop him from having grand adventures. They were very excited for the adventures, but again there was a problem with Sancho Panza because he had no horse to ride upon. So he said to Don Quixote, "Sir, I cannot run very fast and I have no horse to ride upon. So may I follow you on my donkey?" Don Quixote had no other options than to allow him to ride on his donkey. But still, he said, "None of my books tell me that square ride donkey. But yes, you may bring that animal along. Once we find a disrespectful knight, we shall defeat him and take his horse. Until then, you can ride this donkey." He was just bluffing to Sancho Panza, but foolish man believed him. One evening, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza set out ready for the excitement of adventure. Meaning of set out is to start a journey. Suddenly, Don Quixote saw windmills a little far away and he thought that those were giants. The meaning of giants is an imaginary or mythical being of human form. So he was ready to attack those windmills and said, "Look over there, my friend. They are at least 30 great giants standing there. I shall fight and defeat them all. They are waving their long arms at us. Because of his excitement and imaginations, even the windmills looked like giants for him. Sancho Panza was surprised to listen the words of Don Quixote because he could clearly see that those were not giants but windmills with moving blades on outside. Sancho wanted to help his master to see the reality and said, "What giants, sir? Please look again, sir. Those are windmills. What you call their arms are really their sails. They move round and round in the wind to make the windmills turn." Meaning of millstones is large flat stones used to crush grain to make flour. Don Quixote was not ready at all to accept the reality. Dear students, sometimes it happens to us also. For example, when we see a rope or a stick lying on the ground in the darkness, we feel that it is a snake, or some bushes look like some fearful animals or creatures because of our fear and imaginations. My dear students, you can see this picture, trees in different structures. These are the pictures of trees, but by seeing these trees at first sight, different thoughts and imaginations come to our mind. Sometimes things look very different when they are far away. So also it happened with Don Quixote. He did not listen to Sancho Panza because he was very sure that the windmills were giants, and so he prepared to attack them. As he was moving towards the windmills, he said to Sancho Panza, "It is quite clear to me that they are giants. You know nothing about adventure. If you are afraid, then you can stay here. I shall go forward and fight the battle." Sancho Panza wanted to stop him, but very excited and eager Don Quixote did not stop. As he raced his horse forward, the wind rose and the sails began to move very fast. And Don Quixote thought that the giants were running away. So with full energy, he said, "Do not run away from me, cowards. There is only one knight here, yet he is brave enough to attack you all. Move your arms as much as you like. You will not stop me." Meaning of cowards, a person who is not brave and avoid danger. Dear students, can you guess about whom Don Quixote is speaking here? Here, Don Quixote is speaking about himself, that there is only one knight, and that is Don Quixote, and he is brave enough to attack the giants, and even if they try hard, they will not be able to stop him. He is telling the blades of the windmills the arms of giants, and then with great force he struck the moving sails, thinking that they are giants, and his lance broke. The meaning of struck is to hit. Lance is a weapon with a long wooden handle and a pointed metal end, used to fight from horseback in the past. He was thrown off his horse and fell on the ground, and the noise or a cry came out from his mouth due to pain. Dear students, you also must have experienced this when you fall down. You cry out of pain. Sancho came running and asked, Sir, are you okay?" He was concerned for his master and helped Don Quixote by extending his helping hands to raise him up. Now, Sancho Panza hoped that Don Quixote would have learned a lesson from the fall, and as reminding, he said, "Oh, sir, didn't I warn you that they are only windmills?" But instead of accepting the reality, Don Quixote wanted to stop Sancho Panza. He wanted to hide his mistakes and said to Sancho, "Be quiet, Sancho. I think that a magician turned those giants into windmills so that I would not be able to conquer them. But in the end, with my good sword, I shall win." In the end, he believed that a magician had turned the giants into windmills. He still hoped to fight and win the battle next time. Don Quixote said all this because he did not want to get offended that he was wrong. Now he pretended that he was right, but a magician turned those giants into windmills. Otherwise, it was sure that he would win. Don Quixote was not at all ready to accept that he was wrong. Sancho Panza realized that his master is fooling to Sancho and to himself. Now, Sancho Panza understood that nothing would happen ahead, but he had no other choice than to follow his master, and so they set off once more in search of misadventures. Don Quixote neither accepted the reality nor his mistakes. Sancho Panza was considered to be a foolish man, but he could understand everything. Don Quixote thought that by making false promise he made fool to Sancho, but actually he cheated himself too. My dear students, we should learn from our mistakes and try not to repeat them. If we repeat our mistakes, then we are also foolish like Don Quixote. Students, it takes courage to accept mistakes and realities, and it shows that we are honest. So, learn from the mistakes and be honest. I hope you have understood this lesson. It is an interesting story. Go through and you will enjoy it. Thank you.